Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new display to your website. Here's an example of a section of your site that uses the display option. This is your art program section. This is the preview section of the displays. As you can see, the display is set up in, currently I have it set up 5 different columns. You have a brief summary of the particular item. Beneath it, you have the title, and you have the more info button to click on to actually go to the particular item. So when you click on that, it takes you to um, whatever item you clicked on. You can also click on the image itself, which will take you to the item also. So I'm going to show you quickly how to set this particular option up on your website and how to add more options similar to this on your website. First of all, you're going to want to log into your control panel. I already have. You scroll down to where you see display and you click the drop down menu. You're going to click on display. This option will show you all the current displays you have on the account over here. It's pretty much the same as the post page and the comment page and all of that stuff. It's pretty much the same idea. You can do a quick edit, full edit, trash the item, or view the item. What you want to do, what I'm going to show you right now, is how to add a new display. You click add new. Up here you enter the title as usual. I'm just going to put test display. And here in the body section of the display, you're going to put in whatever you want to put in, images or text. I'm just going to put test. Again, you can format the text however you want to format it. You can add bold, italicized, underline, all that kind of stuff. Over here, you're going to want to select where your display is going to show up at, either in the staff, the programs, the gallery, which is not in use. So I'm going to take that off, and or the board of directors, which is a display I set up so that you can use that option under that menu, the board of directors. So you just select pretty much which one you want to use. I'm going to select board of directors just to show you. Next thing you're going to want to do is set a featured image. Again, it's the same thing, same concept. Select where you want the image to come from. Click select. I'm going to select it from my computer. So I'll just pick some random image. I'll just pick any random image here. Click open, let it upload. You're going to want to fill out as much of this as possible as usual, and click use as featured image. And click close. So whatever featured image you save here is going to show up here in this section. This is the featured image. After that, you're going to want to put an excerpt. Whatever you put in the excerpt area is going to show up here. That's the summary area. And that summary area is limited to a certain amount of words. So, if you overtype it, it's just going to automatically stop. As you can see, the right here it stopped, and then it added the 3 dots so that you have to click more to read the rest of the information. So I'm just going to type in test excerpt. And then one thing with the display category, there's one thing that's a little bit different from the adding a new page or adding a new post. Is in order to add a custom sidebar, to select what sidebar you want to put with your post, you have to use the custom fields, because this display option is not something that I built myself with your website. This is something, it's a third-party plugin that I got from the plugin section of of WordPress itself. So some other programmer built this particular option, this particular program, so this particular plugin. So it doesn't work exactly with your website, because it wasn't built with your website. So you got to finagle a little bit differently. It's very simple. If you want to add the sidebar, you want to click the drop down menu and you want to go down to custom sidebar. Next to that, in the value section, you just need to put the name of the sidebar you want to use. If you're not sure what the name of the sidebar you want to use is, just go down to appearances, go to widgets, right click it and click open in a new tab so you don't lose this particular tab you're using. Open it in a new tab, and here are the sidebars. These are the names of the sidebars. So say I want to use the Y cry sidebar. I can see right there is Y, no space, cry. And so I just type that over here. include the capital letters and the lowercase letters so it looks exactly the same. And then you just click Add Custom Field. Click Update. And then you publish. Now, another thing that happens from time to time with this particular plugin, again, because it wasn't built specifically for your website, but it works fine with your website, it has very, very small quirks, is as you can see, the custom field disappeared. I put the sidebar in and now it's gone. Whenever you click Update under the display option, you're going to lose the sidebar. So what you're going to want to do is after update your page first, click Update first, and then go in here and add the sidebar. Go down here to Add Custom Fields, click Custom Sidebar, type in the sidebar name, click Add Custom Field, and then click Update. Once you click Update, don't click this Update here anymore. Now it's all done. Now you can just navigate out of this page to View Page, and you'll see there's the sidebar that you selected. Here's the test display, and there you have it. To add the images to the test display, it's pretty much the same as any other item that we've gone over. You just want to, if you want to put an image over here, all you're going to do is select where you want it to go. Click the Add Image selection, select where you want the image to come from, and then click Insert the image. It's all pretty much the same. Whenever you're adding a new display, a new post, or a new page, the basic information is pretty much the exact same thing with a few minor changes. As far as like with the display, you have to do this custom field to do the sidebar.